Hey, my beautiful lady subscribers. I missed y'all so much. So, getting right up into the video, we're going to start off with some primer from Lancome, some concealer, some foundation, a spoolie, a concealer brush, and then put that primer on your eyebrows, well, around it rather, on the skin. Then brush your eyebrows up, obviously what I'm doing up in the video. I don't know why I'm saying this, but I'm going to work with this eyebrow right here that I'm pointing at. And we're going to first brush the eyebrow hairs down because I don't want to be drawing lines across my eyebrows that's going to be too big. I don't like my eyebrows to be super thick. So I'm finna draw it like, you'll see. You just watch, okay? So now we're going to take the spoolie and brush the eyebrow hairs back up. And then up underneath, we're going to go back in with the pencil and lightly shade up underneath the eyebrow, a line across or whatever. However you want your eyebrow to be arched or shaped. Yeah, that's the word. So then you're going to take your eyebrow pencil or whatever you use and go back in and shade your eyebrows in. If you want them to be darker, if you want to be light, you don't got to do all what I'm doing, shading it in that dark, like how I shaded mine's in dark, but that's just how I wanted to do it. But yeah. So now I'm going back in with my spoolie and brushing my eyebrow hairs in the direction that they grow so that I can put my concealer and foundation on my eyebrows. Now it's time for concealer. I take my concealer brush and I try to neatly outline my eyebrow with the concealer in the shape that I want. Just to clean it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Then after that, I'm basically just blending it out right here so it don't be no obvious marks of concealer. So now I'm going in with my foundation and putting it on the top of my eyebrow the same way I did on the bottom, except I'm using foundation for the top instead of concealer for the top. And yeah. So now I'm blending and blending and blending, blending more. And blending and keep on blending until it's all blended and faded and natural and fits with your skin. Then I clean it up a little bit more. And yeah. So then I go back in with some makeup kind of remover, some stuff, and a Q-tip, because I ain't really I wanted my eyebrows at the front to be a little bit just a pinch lighter, so I kind of took some of it off just a little bit, just a tad bit. I don't even know if it's noticeable. Well, on the camera it's probably not noticeable, but in real life it's kind of noticeable. Well, a lot more noticeable. But I wanted it to be a little bit lighter at the front, look more natural. And then I'm just going back in right there and cleaning it up just in case I kind of messed it up when I wiped it off with the Q-tip. So it look a little bit better. And after everything is done, you go back in with that spoolie one more time and make sure them brows is laying perfectly there. I ain't gonna lie, I was feeling myself, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later. Where you are, where you talk, babe. Yeah. It's the way